Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an account in Boo dating app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Boo app, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get the Boo dating app on? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Boo and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the app. After downloading, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. Right there, you're going to be asked to either log in, use an existing account, or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever process you follow through, you can just sign in, and after signing in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Boo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to create an account in the Boo dating app. Okay, so while stating or while giving the introduction for this tutorial, I must have said some step-by-step processes that you can take to create the account. Okay, so if you're using an Android phone, then you have to get Boo in Google Play Store. So launch the Google Play Store and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Boo, and it's going to display Boo there. You're going to see the button that says install. Click on install. And once you click on install, wait a couple seconds, ensure you have a tight internet connection and a stronger internet connection. So once you click on install and it's done installing, you're going to see the open button. So click on open, and that's going to take you right into the application. Now, once it takes you right into the application, it takes you into the sign up page. So let them know that you want to create an account and follow through the step-by-step processes to create your account. Now, they're going to take you through a lot of processes, but they're not really tedious. It's not too much like hard work. They're just going to ask some personal questions to help build your profile. They're going to ask questions that are tailored to questions that will help them get your answers, and those answers will help them narrow down their preferences for you in the Boo dating app. So just answer the questions and have fun while at it. So once you follow through with the step-by-step processes till you get to the end, that's going to be it. It's going to take you right into the home page. Now, there are going to be two options to create your account, or let's say three. So you can create your account using Google account, and you can create your account using email. All right, so use any of those options and you'll be good to go. I like to recommend Google because the process is it's quite instantaneous. All right, so use Google and just follow through the further processes, and you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So this is pretty much the process. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.